Hey guys, Cody here. I just wanted to say a big thank you for helping us reach 350 subscribers. It really is fun making shorts with Sebastian, and then seeing the likes and comments come in is really rewarding. Earlier this year, I never would have thought the channel could double its subscriber count, and now it feels like there is a path to at least the 1,000 subscribers needed to be monetized by YouTube. This year, I plan on setting up an Etsy shop where I'll be selling little diecast racing starter kits using the same parts you see in these videos. And if you happen to have a 3D printer, I do have most of the STL files listed for sale on Colts 3D. Thanks again, guys, for all of your support.